Please like, subscribe, make a comment, share the video with other people. If you're not into cryptocurrency yet, you're going to be. We're all going to be. Bitcoin, of course, came out about 15 years ago, around 2012 or something. It seems like when it first came out, it was cost only about 11 cents, something around there. I mean, I'm sure it was lower than that at the very beginning. Who knows? But anyway, around 10 cents, something like that. Now it's around $100,000. Just think, if you would have bought one Bitcoin for 10 cents, where you'd be today. If you a buck worth of Bitcoin, just think where you would be today. Well, you didn't, maybe. If you're listening to me, you probably didn't. I certainly didn't, and I've never been one who was really crazy about the newest technologies. Technologies come out. Often people jump on them, whether it be the newest. When I was younger, what a calculator. Calculator. What those cost 30, 40 years ago was pretty expensive. Now they're nothing, I don't even know if you can get one now. Everybody uses their phones and computers and things. But anyway, technologies come out and they cost a lot of money. I think this thing cost $30 or something like that in 1990, something like that. I'm not too interested in jumping on the newest technology. I'd like to find out, how it's used or see it around me being used in ways that I can comprehend. But about 5 years ago, I kept hearing about Bitcoin, and only Bitcoin, of course. Well, I would hear about other things, but Bitcoin was the main thing, as it is today. Most people hear about Bitcoin. And I thought, I need to at least be aware of it. I need to play with it some, etc. But, at that time, it was already $20,000 or something. It might have been higher. Anyway, because it goes up and down into 20. It went up to 35 and down to 19, up to 40, and then down to 30, and then 30 something, and then up to 60. I mean, it's that kind of thing. It's volatile. All of these cryptocurrencies can be pretty volatile, as they are at the moment. I'm not an expert at all. I'm not trying to pretend I am. I'm just trying to share some ideas, some thoughts to you that maybe you might think are worthwhile considering yourself. So, and I was ignorant, as many may still be, about Bitcoin and buying Bitcoin 5 years ago. And I thought, I don't have $20,000. If I could buy a Bitcoin for $100, I'd maybe jump onto that. But $20,000, I don't have that. So I didn't buy Bitcoin. I'm sorry. Seems like half the time I get on to talk, I get phlegm in my throat. But I didn't have that kind of money, but I wanted to participate in some way. And then I started looking around at other types of coins, and Ethereum was out, and various other Doge coins, various other coins were around, and but I thought the thing to do is to get in at the way down at the bottom, like many people do with Bitcoin, and then watch it go up. Well, most cryptocurrencies didn't go act like Bitcoin, but they might have been $3 or $4 at the time, and I thought, well, I could buy 10 of those, but I'd like to find something where I'm getting in on the bottom. I was an ignoramus. I mean, I was ignorant, right? I didn't know what I was doing. As same thing with the stock market, those kind of things. When I first started fooling with some penny stocks, I didn't know what I was doing. And you throw away money when you don't know what you're doing. That's why it's smart to go in really low, right? And then you sort of learn about what's going on with the product. So With cryptocurrency, I went looking for something that I could get, 20 cents, something like that. Anyway, so and I did invest in something for like that, and it is really not going anywhere at all. This particular token, but I was in it. I'm in it for the long haul. It's okay. Just a little bit of money. Let's see whether it does something in the next 5 or 10 years. That's my attitude about it. However, we're at a time when things are really coming together with cryptocurrency. One of the things that I've learned as I've paid attention, and you can go on YouTube, and there are umpteen dozen different providers of information about XRP and all kind of other cryptocurrencies. So there's plenty of information for you to ingest. But what's going on right now, if you haven't been paying attention yourself, is that XRP really is something that's sort of broken out. XRP, about a month and a half ago, you could buy for, I can't remember, it was something ridiculous. And then, you could have bought it for about 55 cents, something around 55 cents. I thought that I would do that for 55 cents, get me a little bit of XRP. And but I was listening to all these different people talking, and one of the people says, as would always be true, you never know, it could go down by 15%. It wouldn't be odd at all. So I thought, I'm going to put in an order for 40 cents. So I put in an order for 40 cents on one of the exchanges. And I watched it sit there, and it was bouncing from 50, 52 to 59 and that kind of stuff, but basically around 55 cents on average. And I kept waiting. Well, I'm waiting because I was being greedy. Don't be greedy. That's one of the things I'm learning in life. Don't be greedy. Try to be sensible. That's what you need to be. If something's worth doing something with, then do it. Don't worry about whether you're going to be greedy. If you need gas for your car, buy gas. Don't wait to see if the price of gas goes down, right? Because you might run out of gas. So one day I take a look, and lo and behold, it's starting to go up. I finally bought some at 87 cents. So if I'd bought it at 55, I'd be way ahead of it. I lost, what, 30 cents or so, right? I mean, but I bought some, and then it went up to, it's gone up pretty high. I mean, percentage-wise, pretty doggone high. Right now, I think it's up. It's gone up to like over 3, and it's like 250 or something, I believe, at the moment. But again, I'm just buying this for a longer haul. Now I'll watch, pay attention to it. It may be in 6 months, it'll be some ridiculous price, and I might sell it or sell some of it or whatever. But the point is, it's hot right now. Now, what's going on in all these in the last week? There's been a downturn in the crypto cycle, crypto market. So right now, cryptos are in general at a really good price, and by the people who are expert, pretty as expert as you can be, in this about the cycles in the crypto market. Those that are worth anything are going to probably take off. And my point, the whole reason I'm making this video is to tell you, if you've ever thought about getting into crypto, now's the time to do it. Now, I can tell you what I believe about crypto investing, and that is, there's all kind of coins out there, and a lot of them are called meme coins. They're just silly coins. It's like buying a plastic coin that has Trump on it, or has Biden on it, or whoever or Jesus on it. It doesn't matter. That's only worth what what you can get for it. It's like more like Cabbage Patch dolls, or what were those things? Tie. There was some little bitty doll I remember that 20 years ago, everybody, maybe it's 25 years ago, everybody was buying them. It's all kind of little characters, but they were little stuffed toys. They're worth nothing, and people are buying all kind of, investing in them. Well, or if you want to invest in a comic book, you can buy a comic book for, I don't know how much comic books cost now, but at one time they would cost 25 cents. You can invest that comic book for 25 cents and hope that it'll be a collector's item one day, right? You can do that kind of stuff. But that's not what I'm talking about for investing in crypto. The main thing you want to do is invest in a type of crypto that has functionality. That's the key word, functionality. And that means it's going to be worth something to the people who want to use it. There's a few of those, several right now. I'm not an expert. I'm just going to give you a few that I'm quite confident that most people who know anything know they're pretty good investments. XRP, XCN, which is Oxycoin, XLM, which is Stellar, and then SwiftCoin. SwiftCoin apparently is related to, right now, or what they've been using for years now to move money around the world, sending it from one bank to one country to another, is the SWIFT system. And so this is the SwiftCoin. And what these tokens are mechanisms to be able to attach things to, contracts, all kind of things to, and move them around the world very quickly. Not over the wire, we're not wiring it from here to there. This is instantaneous, or let's say within 10 to 20 seconds or something. Again, I'm not an expert, but it's very short. I understand that Bitcoin, you might go into a place, if you went into a place to buy a cup of coffee with Bitcoin, it might take 5 minutes for the Bitcoin to clear. That's an older technology. It's a little more cumbersome. And it's not used for these purposes. XRP, XEN, XLM, SwiftCoin, these are used to actually attach your contract or the value to, and it move around. They're like the tracks or the vehicle that you put it's like loading up your truck and going to the farmer's market. Well, the load is one thing. XRP would be the truck that's moving it there, right? There's a function. A lot of these coins, tokens, cryptocurrencies do not have a really purposeful function other than, hey, here's something. If people want to use it to trade, and there's many that people who are into cryptocurrency may, if they have a business, they may be willing to take cryptocurrencies that I wouldn't have anything to do with. They just have confidence in them. That's all it is. It's like saying a rock worth 2 pounds is worth 10 cents. And if you believe that, it's like the wooden nickel back in the colonial times. The wooden nickel was just a piece of wood. But society, for a period of time, agreed that wooden nickel was worth a nickel. And as long as everybody agrees with that, then you can trade a chicken for 10 wooden nickels, right? Because you can take your wooden nickels and go buy after selling your chicken, you can go buy yourself a new shovel, right? So functionality, that's the key. These are some ideas. If you we're at the bottom of a cycle, apparently, by those who know a lot more than I do, I might leave a thing down at the bottom. I listen particularly to Economic Ninja, so you can look him up, Economic Ninja, and he deals with real estate. He deals with all kind of different things, but there's many out there that I also will listen to. I just wanted to make this video now because if you don't hop on soon, you won't. It'll be too well. It will never be too late. Maybe. I mean, maybe instead of you being able to buy a one of these things for 30 cents, maybe they'll cost 60 cents by the time you get around to it. But you know, XRP. There's people talking about it being at $10. And now, right now, XRP is, let's say, around 250. I don't remember exactly, but $10 by the end of the year, maybe worth $30 or $40 in the next few years because it's got functionality. XEN similarly, very low price. You get in now, you're bound to and hold it for a while and let it go up and down and don't worry about it. The key is you have to get a wallet. This is the most confusing thing. You need to get a wallet. So, you know, there's different kind of, is it Taser? I don't even remember what mine is, but there's different kind of crypto wallets. Look it up, study it. You need to learn enough, do your own study. But you got to get the wallet so that, because you don't want to leave your crypto on the exchanges like Coinbase or up something up. I'm sorry. I'm not the expert. I just know enough to take care of myself, and I'm trying to share with you, hey, take care of yourself. So take care of yourself. Have a good day.